Welcome, adventurers and van life aficionados! Today, we're unveiling one of the most stunning luxury camper vans ever built. The Hymer Vision Venture, straight from Germany. Imagine the perfect blend of sophisticated design, cutting-edge technology, and mobile comfort. That's exactly what this rig promises. But there's more beneath the surface. Mysteries in its design, secrets in its engineered systems, and a wow factor you won't see coming. Over the next several minutes, we'll tour every nook and cranny, explore mechanical prowess, examine living comfort, and reveal which surprises lie hidden in this rolling palace. Stay with me, because toward the end, I'll show you one feature that redefines what a camper van can be, and you won't believe it until you see it. Now buckle up, the ride begins. At first glance, the Hymer Vision Venture captivates with its sculpted profile and purposeful lines. This isn't a bulky motorhome, it's athletic, sleek, and purposeful. With German engineering flair, the exterior combines high-grade composite panels, aerodynamic curves, and a confidently low stance. Step closer, and you'll notice camera modules replacing side mirrors, flush entry doors, and thoughtful lighting, all hinting at an advanced system beneath. As I circuited the van for the first time, I marveled at how it sits lower than many campers yet offers serious road height where needed. The contrast between its street presence and hidden capabilities creates tension. Just how does Hymer achieve that balance? I couldn't wait to dive inside and find out, and you'll soon see how that first visual impression transforms into full sensory immersion. Let's talk exterior. The shell, structural choices, and engineering decisions that make the Vision Venture stand out. Hymer uses advanced fiber composites and lightweight aluminum in the construction, aiming to maximize strength yet minimize weight. The design team sculpted aerodynamic surfaces to reduce drag, and the bodywork conceals advanced systems like concealed air intakes, solar integration, and smart airflow channels. The camera mirror system replaces traditional mirrors, reducing drag and contributing to its futuristic look. The lighting uses full LED arrays front and rear, with integrated daytime running lights seamlessly blending into the body. There's even a retractable awning track built into the roofline, hidden until activated. But what truly impressed me is the modular underbody. Quick access panels, rugged skid plating below, and carefully hidden plumbing and wiring. These clever engineering moves suggest surprises inside that you won't expect. Speaking of surprises, wait until you see how that body design is echoed in the interior layout. Let me lead you inside. How one enters and perceives internal space. You step up into a portal door that glides almost silently. That door opens to a surprisingly lofty interior, thanks to clever use of space and ceiling geometry. Immediately you notice how the interior echoes the exterior's fluid lines. Walls taper, rooms flow into one another, and there's a feeling of spaciousness despite compact footprint. The layout is modular: a front lounge, mid-galley, bathroom capsule, and a rear bedroom module. Each zone is distinct yet cohesive. Storage compartments hide beneath flooring and overhead, and sliding partitions allow privacy or openness. Hymer's spatial strategy is to blur boundaries. You can shift from kitchen to lounge to sleeping seamlessly, without awkward transitions. What you see at first glance is only part of the story. For instance, that lounge table transforms in unexpected ways, and some seating elements move or retract. Later, we'll open up that mechanism. You'll want to stick around. Now we arrive in the heart of mobile living. The kitchen, or galley area. Hymer doesn't skimp. There's a full induction cooktop with pop-up vent, recessed sink with cover, and an elegant faucet that tucks away. The cabinetry is made of lightweight composite with soft, closed drawers, built-in spice racks, and hidden compartments for cutlery and cookware. There's a double-door fridge-freezer unit, plus a microwave or convection oven combo. But what truly captivated me is how Hymer integrated ventilation, splashes, and drainage in a minimal footprint. The worktop is flush and seamless, fold-out counter extensions add extra prep space, and LED task lighting comes alive under cabinets. Pull out a cutting board, drop in pans, and suddenly you have more workspace than you'd expect in a van this size. And as you'll see shortly, that galley links cleverly to the lounge and doubles as a dining zone. But one of the kitchen's gadgets isn't just for cooking. I'll reveal it later, and it almost feels like magic. Let's settle into comfort. The living or lounge zone is where you'll spend your downtime. Hymer outfits this space with ergonomic seats, adjustable recline, and swivel mechanisms that let you turn toward windows or center. Soft upholstery, integrated armrests, and ambient LED lighting create a cozy, upscale vibe. Windows are deep and panoramic, with blackout blinds and shades hidden in layers. Sound insulation is excellent. Road noise is quelled by layered damping materials and acoustic glass. The lounge table is clever. It raises, lowers, slides, and can even morph into a standing bar or desk. Pop-open side panels and extra seating comfortably accommodates guests. The transitions between modes are smooth. You can go from dining to lounging to working with only a few hand motions. As I sank into one seat and looked out through the huge window, I felt far from cramped van life. But here's where things get clever. One part of that lounge house is a hidden feature that I'll reveal in the next segment. You won't expect it. Next up, the bathroom capsule. Essential yet often compromised in vans, but not here. Hymer encloses a full wet bath with an adjustable shower head, fold-away partitions, and a clever drainage system that channels water precisely. The toilet is a ceramic swivel model, with built-in flushing and waste sealing. Vanity sink, mirror, storage niches, and lighting complete the ambience. But what's really intriguing is the plumbing architecture: insulated piping, quick access panels, redundant pumps, filtration, and efficient water routing that minimizes weight and leakage risk. You'll find hidden sensors for water level, gray water monitoring, and a modular cassette system that you can withdraw easily. As I tested the shower and toilet, the system felt robust and leak-free, a rare feat in a van. But the surprises don't stop. The floor of the bathroom has a section that lifts to reveal additional technical gear. And yes, you'll want to see what's hiding under there soon. Now, power and independence. What ensures this van keeps going even off-grid? Hymer equips the Vision Venture with a high-capacity lithium battery bank, smart battery management system (BMS), and dual AC/DC inverters. There's a roof-mounted solar array, flexible panels tucked flushed, optionally supplemented by a deployable side solar wing. Energy from motion is harvested via regenerative systems, and Hymer includes a quiet generator as backup. The BMS monitors voltage, current draw, and battery health, allocating power intelligently to appliances, lighting, heating, and charging. Charging from shore power or alternator is seamless. There's even a smart control panel or app interface to monitor consumption, forecast energy, and optimize load distribution. During my test, I ran the oven, fridge, heating, and lighting off grid for 2 cloudy days, and still had reserves. But here's the kicker: there's one mode hidden in that system, a stealth mode or a boost, that activates under certain conditions, and I'll reveal it shortly. You won't believe how efficient it gets. Let's hit the road. How does the Vision Venture handle driving, suspension, and performance? Hymer builds it on a reinforced van chassis with upgraded springs, adaptive dampers, and optional air suspension. The steering feels precise for a vehicle of its size, and handling is surprisingly nimble. The braking system is robust, and electronic stability controls help in crosswinds. Hymer also integrates adaptive cruise, lane assist, and collision mitigation systems. The powertrain is typically a modern turbo diesel or hybrid assisted engine, powerful enough to climb hills without strain. During test drives on curvy roads, I was impressed at how composed it remained, with minimal body roll and confident traction. Noise isolation in the cabin is so good that at speed you almost forget you're in a sizable camper. But the most thrilling part, there's a performance mode, a hidden boost, that unlocks extra torque or adjustability, which we'll dive into in the final segment. Don't blink or you'll miss it. Now, to wrap up, what makes the Hymer Vision Venture truly remarkable? And what is that hidden standout feature I teased? In summary, this van marries exquisite design, smart engineering, versatile interior layout, powerful autonomy, and solid driving dynamics. But the secret gem is a hidden compartment under the floor that transforms into a retractable rooftop observatory sky lounge, complete with transparent panels, climate control, and panoramic views. Yes, the floor lifts, a section of the roof rises, and suddenly you're sitting above the van, looking out at stars or landscapes in all directions. It's a visionary feature that takes mobile living to another level. That, alone, makes the Vision Venture more than a van. It's a mobile experience pod. If you thought you'd seen all camper vans could offer, this changes the game. In our next video, I'll take you on a real journey in this van, from city streets to mountain passes, and push that observatory to its limits. So if you're ready to see it in action, hit subscribe and stay tuned. The adventure is just beginning.